to penalize you over this confusion over increasing versus decreasing, flipping pluses to minuses. To me, that's not interesting. I try not to dwell on that question. So, questions? Do you guys think you could solve one of these? Okay. Time for one more example. Two trains leave a station. One going 100 miles an hour due west, the other one going 60 miles an hour due north. How fast is the distance between them increasing after 1 hour? So here you go, start here, and then you got one train, let's say train B is going 60 miles per hour that way. And here's train A, it's going 100 miles per hour this way. So my question is, after 1 hour, how fast is the distance between them increasing? Assume that they both start at the origin at the same time, okay? Very good. So let's call this distance x. Let's call this distance y, right? And what we're actually after, like you say, is this. We could call that. Let me call that thing s. Right, s squared would be what? X squared plus y squared by the Pythagorean theorem. And what do we know? Well, we're given what? Dx dt is equal to blank, and dy dt is equal to blank, right? So you guys fill in the blanks for me. A couple of these blanks we can fill out without further calculation. I think you might have told me already, Megan. What was it? Yes, 100, right? Yep. Yeah, after 1 hour you go, right? You guys seen that YouTube video? The guy talking to his girlfriend, like, we're going 80 miles per hour. Oh, yeah. How far do you think we'll be in an hour? She was like, I don't know. Just anything except for 80. What kind of idiot posts that on? Like, who posts that? If you're actually in a relationship with that person, like, who would post that video? I don't know. I mean, even if you've already broken up with her, doesn't that like seal your fate for never finding another girlfriend anyway? I mean, like, who wants to be with that person? It's just not nice. Oh, I don't know. That one I have to actually calculate. What's s? I need the square root of 100 squared plus 60 squared, which is what? 40? No. Yeah, I don't know without. It's the square root of 13,600, otherwise known as 20 times the square root of 34. But what I'm more interested in is 116.62 will do for us. That's to a good approximation. There's S. Okay, so then how do you find ds dt? Well, this differentiate implicitly, we get 2s ds dt is equal to 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt, differentiating implicitly, right? Chain rules all around because I'm differentiating with respect to time, but time is not explicitly a function anywhere. We have an implicit function s, an implicit function of time, x and y and s, all functions of time. Okay, so then what? ds dt is what? So x dx dt plus y dy dt divided by s. So we get 100 times 100 plus, let's see here, 60 times, this is funny, the numbers are the same. I should have asked it for like a half hour. This would have been more exciting, right? Because, how fast are you going? 60 miles per hour. How far did you go in an hour? 60 miles, right? I canceled out the 2. I hate the 2. I can't bear it. So what do you get? Whatever that is, right? Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, right? If we, yeah, it's coincidental. If you put, that might always be the answer, actually, at all times. But anyway, take physics if you want to understand that. Anyway, guys, so try to work through the homeworks. I should have time for some homework questions next class. But of course, we still, we have some other topic we're covering next time. I forget, what is it? It's safe to say math. You're fine. Go ahead. No problem. No problem.